The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Guys, tell me we have audio. Golly, man, I had to shut down all three platforms, shut my computer down. I GoToWebinar is going to get it from me today. Big miss in Empire Manufacturing. We do have NASDAQ just caught a big long. Retail sales minus 0.6%. Employment falling to negative 1.8. That's not good on initial jobless claims. They want to see that spike. Retail sales, that's good. It's a big miss. That's good. Philly Fed, big miss. All right, guys. Back in business here. Let me just get my all right, guys. I'm back in business. Bots are on. Greg! Morning, Greg. Jeez, man. GoToWebinar has been a pisser for the last 2 weeks. All right. Yeah, crude came down. Anybody remember to sell crude at 77.20? Anybody? ES is coming to 75, fellas. Should come down to 75. You're in at 20? Guys, crude's a short, 77.20. It's a short. It was 18. Just got your second funded account. Nice job, Wayne. Good going, brother. Look at you ripping them out now. Anybody short crude? You're only 4 ticks late here if you guys are interested in crude. Now you can get in right at my entry. Stop is going to be 77.39. 77.39. Yeah, also if it breaks 95, it probably gets plastered. Well, if I were here and at the 20, we probably would have had first target. First target 77.01 through 89. Let me mark that, Greg. By the way, good morning, Stuart. Good morning, Barry. So call it 77.01.02 for target one on crude. Greg, what's your stop? Okay. There's first target. Hit 77.02. If you're milking it for 01, I'm sure you'll get it eventually, but hit 77.02. There it is again. Hit 77.01 that time. So first target is hit and filled. Next target down or next level down is going to be 95, which has to break. A little bit of support. It's right at VWAP. Got to break VWAP. You can drop your stop to 35 or break even, whichever you prefer. But if we drop below this 95, you can start targeting 76.68. 76.68. Crude is going to short on the bot. It's setting up a short. Well, a couple ticks away from shorting. Got to break 95, guys. Target one is hit and filled. Got to break 95. A little bit of do-re-mi. Those 39.75 puts were $30. They are now 36.25, 37. They're up 20%. If anybody took the 39.75 ES puts. Booyah, baby. Come on, break 95, crude, and kiss her goodbye. All right, crude short on the bot. What about the ES? 75 target hit. We're in that buy zone. We should get a bounce out of here, but sit tight. I'm not just buying. Anybody take ES short to 75? I gave that mid-80s. Okay, Doug, nice job. Anybody else? Okay, Stuart, nice job. Okay, Nolan. Okay, guys, good job. All of you guys, great job. Here comes C. Elsky. She's dead. Next target down is 76.68. 76.68. You guys can drop stop now down to, call it 28. You can drop your stop to 28. Okay, doing what we do, fellas. Doing what we do. Anybody have an ES runner on? Anybody have an ES on? Okay, target now becomes 39.60. And I would expect we're going to bounce somewhere between here and there. That's a fairly big area. Okay, Ray. Y'all are going to be, called before the Senate Finance Committee because you're making too much damn money. Hang on, guys. Whoop. That's 77.20. $9.86. ES stop, guys, needs to be. I would move my stop to 80 if you have runners. Exactly. Just donate to the Democrats. 39.60. Okay, guys. We didn't get target one yet on crude, but we should. This should not go above 12. On crude. What you get on what fill did you get? You are on January's contract, right? I have not rolled crude. Why the hell do I have a 6E here? That's because you rolled, Paul. You rolled. NinjaTrader does not automatically roll. It puts a thing on your screen and you have to click yes. So you rolled. I'm still trading January CL. Well, I'm still trading January. Look, guys, I mean, you guys do is whatever you guys want to do. Whatever you guys see fit to do, you should do. Don't listen to me. Here's crude. Here's January. 49,000 contracts have traded. CL-02-23 and 25,000 contracts have traded. So tell me why I would be trading February. I don't care about, what do you mean crude options? On what? No, you did. I promise you. It doesn't automatically roll. Volume still in January, guys. Trade it whatever month you'd like. Dak has a bot trade. Press conference starts soon here. You guys might want to shut your bots off. The ECB press conference is going to start momentarily. Shut your bots off, guys. Do. My bots are all. Whoop, forgot to hit YM. They're all off now. No, I mean, I would leave the crude trade on. It's below the entry. You could put your stop at break even at this point if you didn't already do that. I mean, I think whatever she has to say will be good for shorts. Natural gas got a bid, but again, it's inventory day, so I'm quasi reluctant to play with natural gas. It gave you 77.04 on the February contract. I don't know what that is on the January contract. I'm not looking at February, so I can't equate it. It's coming down, fellas. She isn't going to say anything that's going to be remotely positive for these markets. I don't believe. So here's where we're at, guys, with the bot trade. It's at break even. I've shut it off, so it's not taking any more trades. If you guys want to close your trade at break even, your prerogative. Still waiting on her to get to the podium. NASDAQ, I have a target at 613. ES, I have a 60 target. If you're running, anybody is running ES still, I have a 60 target. And here comes crude. Need crude to get back down through 81 and then catch that little swing. There you go. Nice job, Paul. Nice job. Ha 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 ha. All right, fellas, listen, I'm going to do the unthinkable here. There's my 68 target from 20. Boo. Yeah, I would not close that trade. I think this thing is going to sell a mile. Anybody holding crude still? Next level down is 54. Anybody have crude? Okay, Veronica. All right, guys. Okay, a whole bunch of you guys still have crude. 54 is next. So that's a trade from 20. $52. So even if you came out at target number 2, are you trading the March? Are you trading the March contract? Oh, you're effing with me, homie. All right, crude. Both targets hit up 1,050. Greg. Oh man. Up 1145. Nice job, Hubert. Guys, if you have some patience, let me just give you pre-market trades today. This is today. Crude, short, 77.20. Target 102. So this presumes that you're trading 2 contracts, minis. 18 ticks on target 1. Target 2, 76.68. Out at 68, plus 52. 70 tick total trade, $700 on 2 contracts. ES short, 39.86. Target number 1, 39.75. Target 1 hit, plus 11 handles, $550. Target 2 was 60, but the stop just got, I will at the end, just got hit for plus 9 handles on the second contract. A total of 20 handles, $1,000. ES, 39.75 puts at $30. Now I realize those are expensive. One contract is $3,000. Target number 1, $36 out plus 20%. Target number 2, $38. They went to 40 and change out plus 30%. So overall, 25% on a $3,000 trade plus $750. So if you took all those trades with 2 contracts, you'd be up $2,500 on 3 trades. Order flow, baby. I will be back after breakfast. And I'm just going to do it the easy way, guys. I'll be back, fellas. All right, here we go, guys. Getting to push up a little bit on small buyers. I don't think we're going far. Yes, would have just had first target. ES pushed up to 82. NASDAQ back to 700. If NASDAQ fails below 690, you can short it there, 690. It's at 712. Disregard my charts. We're at 06, 07. I'm getting a little lag on the NASDAQ. We're at 12. Par for the course. $690 would be the short. Looks like it's trying to push the VWAP. We have 400 buyers here. You can try a short here at 02 with a stop at 22. I'd rather see it fail below 90. It's below 90, guys. It's 82, 84, 81. Anybody sell it at 90? If you sold 90, target number 1 is 78. Hit and filled. Hit and filled. Hit and filled. Target 2 is going to be 662. 662. There's 64, 63. Come on, dog. 62 hit. 62 hit. Completely free if you're running them, guys. Next target down is going to be 4-5. 4-5. We hit 5-0. Come on. If we break 4-3, you can target 5-9-7 if you're running them. Okay? Easy money's made, fellas. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Just like they draw it up on the playground. So 4-5 is where is my last target, 45 from 90. That'd be 45 handles. There's 49. Come on, dog. 47. Come on, baby. 45 target hit. You guys can run these now free all day long if you want. 595. 595. We're at 3-8. $57 handles on the NASDAQ, fellas. 57 handles. $1,140 two-contract trade. You aren't making money, you ain't pushing buttons. Sorry, Paul. Anybody holding shorts? We're blowing out, guys. If you're holding shorts, we're blowing out. 590. If you're still short one, yeah, 30. Believe it or not, my ninja's now caught up. If you can believe it. Although I have two bots that are frozen, NASDAQ and YM. I cannot turn either of them on. ES and crude are on, but I cannot turn on NASDAQ or YM bots. Neither would have taken a trade, it doesn't look like, but neither here nor there. I can't turn them on. SPX on the cusp of breaking down here at 39.35. You can buy, if you like SPX, you can buy 39.25 puts, 39.10 puts, 39.10 puts SPX. $39.10s are $720. Up $4,000 if trading from NinjaTrade. Nice. SPX puts are 710. 720. I'm sorry, 720. If anybody likes them. They are now 740 bid, 770 on the offer. If you guys are short ES, or I mean NASDAQ, hold that sucker. You can put your stop on NASDAQ at 665. 665 if you're running. Stop. Let's see if I can get either of these. Okay, I got NASDAQ bot on. Still can't get YM bot on. It's always got to be a chart or two every damn day. Every day with Ninja. Every day. Let me take a look at some bigger time frame charts, guys. NASDAQ on a bigger time frame looks like we're going to trade 550. That's an hourly. Some may not consider that a bigger time frame, but 550. And ES looks like 39.50. Let me look at a 240 minute. We're below the 200 period on both. SPX should come down to 28, 27. Getting a small bounce. Let me look at Qs. Qs look bad too. Still cannot turn on my YM bot. 10 minutes into it. Little quiet now after that push. All right, NASDAQ bot shorted. It's just chopping around here, fellas. Down on the bottom. It could pop back up to 667. Let me see if there's any damn buyers. No. No real buyers. Okay, out. Now it's frozen here. Negative delta is 3,100. It's increasing marginally to the short side. I think 550. Still can't get YM bot on. Crude is a short 76.60 short crude. 76.60 crude bot is short. Target one is 39. Stop is 98. Okay, so we have a bot short here. NASDAQ is literally just chunking around. Natural gas to the moon, but it is inventory day. I don't see a long in NASDAQ, guys, at all. ES is going to push down to 60. Did anybody buy SPX puts? All right, ECB press conference is done. Anybody buy SPX puts at $7.20? Nobody? Okay. Let me look at these bastards. Just need to push. All right, NASDAQ on the bot, now along. Good God, we're slow as hell. I still can't turn YM on. Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm watching them. We're getting a small bounce here in the ES. Going to be another loss here on NASDAQ. coming down again. NASDAQ is headed back toward that day low at 618. If we get that 618, here comes the day low on everything, guys. Here comes the day low. ES coming to 60. All right, Greg. Take some risk off here, Greg. They're $8. It's trying to break down, but ES has to break below 60. Yeah, crude is just... Here comes the breakdown, Greg. Here comes the breakdown. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Final target is... Oh, those are the cues. Hang on. SPX is a little bit of hourly support here at 39.30. That's your get out of town trade right there. We're at 39.31 on SPX, Greg. $927.30. Yes, it is, Scott. Let me just check it. Yeah, 917.30. It's the same. Isn't that what the website is? Scott? Man, nothing worse than just parked. I mean, like nothing worse than just park. Oh, okay, then I'm wrong. Pushing lower on those SPX. We're at some support here at 28. You are well in the money, Greg. Anybody else that took SPX? I'm also now watching QQQ 279s. QQQ 279s. ES hit 60. It's the bottom of that zone. We could bounce here on ES. Stop on crude 96. 96. Let me change my, I can't even change the NASDAQ, Scott. There we go. Data series. Come on, you scum. I can't even change. There we go. God, I hate Ninja, man. Seriously. Yeah, I changed it. I see. I got it. If ES breaks down here, anybody holding SPX puts still? If anybody holding SPX puts, if ES breaks down here, it's a massive trade. 39.10s are still hanging out around $8.50. They're not really doing anything. It was 7. You guys can close that trade. Yeah, I hate crude too. It's just farting around here in the middle of the range. ES is trying to hold 60. No, I just said I hate it. I didn't say close it. You can close it if you want. All right, NASDAQ shorted on the bot. I got my settings correct. My settings were off from the member area. Still still cannot use YM bot. Doesn't look like it's going to make a hill of being a difference here. Just a retracement in here, guys. NASDAQ can retrace to 629 if it does. Another short signal. I still have a 560 target on NASDAQ, but not the place to want to get short at the day low. I want to see a retracement. Come on, NASDAQ, just blow the hell out. 3,600 net sellers. Just blow it out. This consolidation here is... ES is jamming us at 60. If 60 breaks, everything gets killed. Yeah, shoot. All right. Still cannot turn on YM. Guess we'll go without it. Crude is flat to dead. Natural gas inventories today. ES is going to continue. So is NASDAQ going to continue to short. I don't see anything good here. Yeah, split volume on CL. That's true. Thank you. We have split volume in the indices still, don't we? SPX breaking down hard. They're now 850. Anybody holding SPX puts, 39.10 puts. ES is breaking below 60. Here is your ES next target, 39.30. That's where ES will, expect a bounce in here. It's going to want to try to hold that support at 60. I don't have any longs. I am not interested in longs. Killed the crude trade. Okay. Okay, Tony, holding ES. Well, they got to get, Lagarde was very, very hawkish, but we got to get Europe sucked into shorts all the way on the bottom. If they're going to bounce it, it'll be this afternoon once Europe is gone, I would guess. Nice job, Paul. Up $80 on micros. NASDAQ still screwing around. Here comes your crude, fellas. First target is 39. Here comes your CL. 39 is target 1. Anybody short crude? 39 is target 1. Of course. Okay. All right, guys. Target 1 filled, NASDAQ bot, which I can't move. Both targets filled, NASDAQ bot. Still can't move it. Still can't turn on YM. Here's your breakdown, guys. Look at these SPX puts, and nobody held them. That's cool. They're now 1030. Crude still does not have target. 39 is target 1. We got 45. 6 ticks. SPX getting blown up. SPY blowing up. Q's blowing up. Next target down on the ES, 39.30. 39.30. Seriously, give me 39. Look at this rat bag, 41. 39, there it is, 39, baby. 39 target hit. Stops break even at 6.0. Final target on crude, 76.02. 76.02. Crude's coming up on the opening range low. NASDAQ, ES. Final, next target down, 39.30. Oh, those SPX puts. You made money. You made money. How many did you buy? If you bought 10, you made good money. Hey. Greg, yesterday I went to the cigar store to buy some cigars. And, yeah, we're going to 543, fellas. 543 on the NASDAQ. I went to the cigar store last night, Greg, to buy some cigars. And they didn't have my cigars. So I grabbed a few of the same brand, but with a Connecticut wrapper, which I don't really like. And I grabbed 2 other cigars. They were in a nice box. I grabbed 2. He rings me up and he tells so I had 10 of what I generally smoke and 2 of the other ones. And I see the thing, the 2 are $180. I'm like, how much are these cigars? He's like $80 a piece. I'm like, yeah, take them back. Take them back. I forgot what they were. I'm not spending $80 on a cigar. Maybe for New Year's if we're together. I'm talking to my brother, guys. Talking to my brother. Yeah, I'd spend $80 for New Year's Eve on a nice cigar. Yeah, my brother's name is Greg. Yeah. All the great ones are named Greg. Yeah, they were rolled with real money. Exactly. The wrapper was a $50 bill. 539, guys, if you're running NASDAQ. 540. All right, we're going to get this target. ES is going to come to 530. If you guys did not make money today, second target on CL, 76.02, baby. 76.02. Is there anybody that has not made money, guys. Anybody. Let's see here. Analysis on the NQ Open was spot on with a slight run up and then a fail. My mistake was getting out with only 50 handle. John, listen, there's no crying in baseball or making money. Nice job. And another funded account. Nice job, John. Guys, listen, even the best traders in in the world. Nice job, Michael. Not bad for a trial, man. $977. Nice job, Robert. Done for the day. The best traders in the world get 30% of a move. That's it. We're never going to get 100% of a move. I don't even want to look at those SPX puts. Holy shit. Yeah, but he couldn't make any money. He couldn't make any money. Those SPX puts, fellas, are now $17 from $7.20. $17. Nice job, guys. So stop is break even or take the runner as you see fit. That's all right, man. Wasn't doing anything for a bit there, Greg. Nice job, John. Green $120 on micros. Nice job. Guys, all I can do is wait for the next level down and see if we get a bounce. If not, we're just going to keep selling. There's nothing I can do. I hate trend days. Here comes that. God, we've exceeded my 40 target. Now what? Anybody still running NASDAQ? This is a WAPA. This is better than Burger King. It's a Whopper. Jesus, Stuart. Nice. Nice patience, man. Bottom target for ES. I mean, the bottom, I guess, is 0, right? But where can it go? If you guys are late on a trade, okay? You guys are late on a trade. You know, for instance, I suggest crude short at 76.60. This is hypothetical. And you hem and haw on the trade, and then you decide to get in at 50. Pass the trade, guys. If you're late on a trade, pass the trade. FOMO is not a trade strategy. All right, getting a retracement here, we could go to 63. And if we get to 63 and roll over, I would be interested in another short on, NASDAQ. ES would have to get up to about 47. Yeah, I mean, there's 100 trades a day to do. If you're looking at 5 or 6 instruments, maybe not 100, but there are trades to do all day. You don't need to put, as traders, we don't need, yeah, my bots are off. No, my bots are not off. No, my ES has not taken a trade. My YM bot is off, Paul, because it's frozen. I can't turn it on. I haven't been able to turn it on all day. And so it shall stay off. Looks like the SPX is going to push up to 16 to 18 from here. I don't have a trade. So we're probably going to get a bounce in the ES, right? And that's another thing. if I suggest an SPX trade, right? That's options. And I say, look, SPX, you can buy puts here. Obviously, that correlates to the ES. You can go short the ES. I mean, they can't find any damn buyers anywhere. Yeah, and vice versa. If I say calls, you can buy ES. So the low of the day has now come in at 33.25 on the ES, right? So there is another potential trade is if we break the low of the day and then recover the low of the day, we can try a long there. But at this point, we're above the low of the day. So we're kind of hanging out. The momentum to the downside has waned. It has waned. It looks like we're trying to get a bounce, but I don't have it yet. Let me look at bigger time frame. We're holding pivots now, floor trader pivot at 550 on the NASDAQ, on the hourly. If it's going to bounce, it better start finding some damn buyers. We are oversold on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 5, 10, and 15 minutes. So we're oversold. We're probably due for a bounce. And we may get it. The NASDAQ is trying to move back up through its opening range low, which is at 56.25. This is the opening range low. Maybe it's a little bit higher. No, that's it, 56.25. That's your opening range low. I'm not even going to bother marking the high. I don't think we'll be seeing it anytime soon. All right. If you guys want to try a scalp on the ES, long ES at 40, it's quarter now. There it is, 40. And I would not let this thing go much more than 37. It's got to hold here, 37.50. It did. But it's got to come back up through 40. If it comes through 40, you're out 37. You're out at 37. But I still think this is going to, no, maybe not. Up $500 in Apex. You're welcome, Tim. I mean, dailies were foobarred, fellas. We're holding, on the NASDAQ is holding the 50-day moving average. Look at this rat scum. Pond scum came to 37 and is trying to bounce. Look at this rat scum. Came exactly to 37. Here's the bounce. Demand for penicillin has risen drastically in the UK. Got to tell Sandy, Greg, to stay away from them women. I don't think he's planned his wedding yet. He said we're going to be invited. Sellers are, then he's got to come to the States to get married. I'm going to try a long, guys, on the NASDAQ. We're getting a bid in the SPX. All right, I hit a long at 65. I'm long 65. If this pushes through 80, it can go a ways. I'm long 65. If we get through 80, it can go a ways, but we got resistance here at 79.80. I think it's gonna pop up. We're getting a bid in the SPX. If anybody has the guts on SPX, you can buy 39.30 SPX. You can buy 39.60 ES. SPX 39.30 calls are $14.40. 39.30s. SPX. You did a put credit spread at 80 and 60. Okay. Another 20 bucks on micros. Nice job, Paul. We're going to get a bounce, guys. We're due for a bounce. We're oversold on every single time frame. Anybody long NASDAQ? The key on the NASDAQ is going to be 79.80. Anybody long NASDAQ? Look at this ES, 40 to 48. My stop was 37, took me to the tick. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Okay, nobody's long NASDAQ. Okay. Small pullback here. Now, we want to see the opening range low. Okay, guys. We want to see the opening range low hold here at 56.50. Through 80, we're going to get a boosh. So we're holding the opening range low now. I want to see this hold. I can't believe that freaking 40 took me to the damn tick. Guys, give me 1 minute if you. On any given day, I generally trade NASDAQ almost every day, right? Every day I trade NASDAQ. ES and crude and natural gas. Depending on your screen space, you can have 4 different DOMs, or you can have one DOM with each of the instruments. You just click over to the instrument on the DOM and enter a trade. If I give a trade long ES at 40, and by the time you get a DOM up or get over to that, okay, I'm not talking about chart trader, and you see it's at 43, let alone 47. Common sense has to say, pass this trade. If the fear of, if the hope of making money is greater than your fear of losing it, you are never going to make it as a trader. I'm just telling you, you're never going to succeed as a trader. I have a greater fear of losing money than I do of making money. I never take a trade and look at how much can I make. My trades are always going to be, what do I stand to lose? My sense is we're consolidating down here and we're trying to go higher. That's what it is looking like to me. But the question is, how much can we bounce before we roll? NASDAQ can actually get to 592. I don't know that it, can find buyers to get there. But that is a valid, here's the thing on SPY. As much as we're down, SPY has not lost the most critical level yet. The most critical level for SPY is 390. If we lose 390, it's over but the crying. You guys can buy SPY puts if you want. SPY 389 puts. They're 75 cents. 389s. Got a small stop on it. I am more interested in getting a bounce. SPY could bounce back up to 92. We're at 91.27. 92 has to hold for me. Come on down, buddy. Anybody buy SPY? It's got to break down below 9. I mean, it came to 90.36. If that 90 breaks, it's going to get pummeled. I paid 76 cents for him. All right, guys. They are up. They're at 82 cents now. I'll start lightening the load on SPY at 91. They are 87 cents now, up 12%. At 91, I'll start taking some risk off, ideally 91. They're 88. 88 cents, up 14%. $86. Come on, break. It should break down, guys, right here. Good Lord. Give me the low of the day again and go. You break that 390, and this is going to be a bloodbath. There they go. All right, fellas. Anybody that bought SPY puts, they are 92 cents. Okay. So I am going to take off 25%. I just took off 25%. They're now 95%, up 23%. Not bad for a little dipshit trade. Guys, I sold 60% at 95. Anybody that bought SPY puts, 60% at 95. They are currently bid 88. 87. Back up to 91 bid. Come on, break here, you rat son of a gun. Yeah, this is where it's got to go, though. That was my stop. This is support right here. Double bottom on the daily low. I don't like that. But 390 breaks, and I'm telling you, it's over. But the crying like nobody's business. Bounce. All right, so now I'm looking for the long again on the NASDAQ. Not yet. Not yet. It didn't break yet, guys, SPYs. You guys could hold that trade or close it. Small trade, right around 23%. Not much. $100,000 trade, you'd be up 23 grand. I can live with that. $92 is resistance on SPY. If anybody is still holding. No, it does not. ES. Yes. I have nothing in crude. It's in the middle of its opening range, guys. If NASDAQ can get back above this opening range low, me like long time. That is correct, Paul. Guys, anybody in this room not making money? Is there anybody not making money? I should not have anybody that is down. Seriously? You're lying. Thank you, Irfan. Man, I appreciate that. You're lying, right, Albert? You're no rookie. Rookie Mike Keister. Seriously? I've never seen you lose money, man. I know you make money every day. Trial members. Any questions, guys? You guys able to keep up? I know it's a little fast and furious. Don't chase, man. Never chase, guys. It's a hard thing to do. I know everybody, we all want to make money and whatever. American Express just sent me an email wanting to finance my next car. When did American Express start funding car loans? Never heard of that. What does that mean? I'm a bullet? What does that mean? Yeah, I've never seen that, Floyd. James is a car dealer. James owns a bunch of car dealerships. Aces, straight, and flushes. I did not know that American Express financed cars. Oh my God, a bot trade. Pray tell. I just farkin' deleted my NASDAQ bot. Are you kidding me? There's ES. It's an ES bot trade. I'm gonna have to rebuild a NASDAQ bot. I just deleted it. Yeah, my credit score's over 800. All right, fellas. Nobody took SPX. They are now 810 from 725 out. Flat. No, I'll never own an electric car. Notice the SPOT did not go to break even after first target. That's because I have the trail on. The break even is off. If the break even were on, it would have gone to break even. But I think this is going up. I think the ES is going to retrace. It's out here. I think the ES is going to retrace the move back up to 60 and then roll over again. You have a long trying on the NASDAQ. Let me look at the NASDAQ. Hang on, guys. No. If the NASDAQ gets above 580, That she gone. You can try a long here, guys, just above. This is the opening range low. Look at this crude. You are a rat bag. Crude's a rat dog. Oh my God, I can finally turn on my YM bot. How about that? 15 minutes left. Watch crude above the opening range high. You can take crude long here on the candle close. Crude long on this candle close. Not yet. I need that. This current candle has to close. You can take crude long. First target will be 21, 22. Let me take a look at it on another chart. Yeah, man, it's got to get over 77.03. Ooh, I like it. This could go a ways. Should have kept those SPX. There they go. They're going to go to 39.30. God dang it, you dummy. NASDAQ, long. NASDAQ, long. Right? 64.50. 64.50. We're holding the opening range low. Now I've got to get above this 64, 64 half on NASDAQ, guys. And if we get above 80, she's gone. There you go. It's coming. Come on, dog. We're down to 3,000 net sellers. We've been as high as 5,238. So since 1010, they have bought back about 2,200 contracts. Okay, so we have some buyers coming back in. Can't get above that entry yet. Once again, fellas, if you guys are here we go. Oh, damn it, I had it pending. If you guys are here on trial, today is going to be the last day I send you guys an email with a daily update in the room video. If you folks have questions, I encourage you to ask with complete candor. If you haven't seen what you wanted to see yet, tomorrow is going to be the linchpin. I trade very lightly on Fridays. We're down below 3,000 net sellers. Got a short on the YM bot. Just came on. Hang on, guys. I can't move it. It's frozen again. Cannot move it. Looks like it's going to go to. There we go. Now I can move it. IWM. Look at IWM. If NASDAQ breaks that low of the day, you can target 469. If the low of the day breaks, 469. ES won't flip unless it comes below 37. So this may not work out. Below 37, though, this flips. NASDAQ got to break that low of the day at 21. One or two ticks shy of first target on the ES bot. Top of the hour coming, fellas. Oh, that missed by a single tick. Yeah, one tick. Come on, NASDAQ, break down. There it goes. Now it hit to the tick, which is a peeve of mine. That's an absolute peeve of mine. When it hits to the tick. Hit it to the tick and didn't fill. Needs to break below 37 and it flips. Below that target. Anybody short NASDAQ at 37? Nobody? Oh, I'm not. My things aren't scrolling. Getting used to the bots. Bots will turn off when target achieved. Yeah. Well, they don't turn off. The trade is done. Where is the entry for NQ long? No. Never realized making money was so easy working with me. Oh, thank you, Irfan. What size funded accounts work for running the bots? John, the minimum would be about 15,000. I don't trust any of the buying. Okay. You're in at 32. Okay. Anybody else short? Couple of guys are short. This is the last bot trade for the day, guys. There's not enough time left in this session that it will take a long. So everybody's good today, right? Everybody has made money. I'm hoping this gets this dang second target because it'd be a nice day if it does. I just need one more Unirenko candle and it'll give me that target. I think NASDAQ is going to get jacked down to 465 now. Referring to a funded account with Apex. So most of us did $50,000 accounts, John. Floyd, are you in the room still? Floyd? If Floyd is in the room, he's the only one that he's not responding. Guys, anybody do an Apex account bigger than 50? I believe Floyd did. Yes, $2,500. So if you're going to trade, Patrick did. If you're going to trade, Marcia, a lot of them did. if you're going to trade a funded account, you're trading max 2 contracts. And then we have a daily goal and a daily draw. There's 3 videos in there. So in the daily draw, you start out with a fresh account. You have a $500 daily goal, and then there it is. Both targets hit. And then you have a $2,000 daily draw. You hit your goal, you go into the settings, and you reduce your daily draw by 20% for tomorrow. So the max you can lose tomorrow is $1,600. If you hit your daily goal again at 500, you reduce again 20%. So now you're down to about 1,300. So now you start, you're moving closer towards that. And you're never really going to get a $500 on the dot number. Here's the breakdown, guys. It's going to break down. It's going to break down. So one more time for the home team. There is nobody that did not make money today, correct? All right, on this NASDAQ trade, guys. No, I did not. I didn't look. Tell you what it is. They didn't post it. Yeah, they did. We're flat, 1.7% below our 3-month average daily volume. We're flat. So on that 537 short, the first target is here at 510. So 27 handles. And then final target is 462 if it can get there. Let's see here, Mark. Your bots did very well except NQ, which reverse trades. Yep, the settings on the website are accurate. My NQ bot was inaccurate. If you guys want to take an SPY trade, fellas, you can buy 389s or 388s on the presumption that that 90 is going to break. If 90 breaks, this is going to get completely foobarred if you guys want to buy SPY. 90 has to break. So in any event, guys, here is a trade recap. There are too many trades for me to type out, which was a suggestion made to me. I suggested today 10 trades. $700 winner on crude. 20 handles total on, this is based on 2 contracts. Another trade on ES puts, which it netted out at 25%. NASDAQ short netted out at 1140. SPX puts netted out about 50, maybe close to 18%. Crude short netted out at $210. ES long lost 300. SPX puts again calls. I'm sorry, 725. I killed him at 810. Call it 10%, maybe 12%. SPY puts about 25%, and then this last NASDAQ trade, which you'd still be running, that's up 540 on target 1. So I don't know how anybody could have lost money unless you kind of did your own thing, or you're taking targets, where you want to take them. Not. We have a double bottom now on the daily on the ES. We have a double bottom. All right, here bot trades. My ES bot is up 657 and 50 cents. Crude up 730. NASDAQ, I can't show you because I don't have one. I deleted it, but that was down. My NASDAQ bot was down. I'll rebuild it, and when I send you guys your last email today, I'll have the total in there. YM bot, which I can't move. Oh, man. YM is up 570. Can't move it. YM is up 570 on this volume spike. There it is. YM up 570. And natural gas, I did not trade today because it was inventory day. So a net positive day. Again, for my trials, I will be sending you out this video. This will be the last email I send you guys. If you have any interest in joining our group, please email me. If anybody has any questions, holler. Go ahead. Anybody have anything before we wrap it up? You're welcome, Albert. I'll be on Skype today, guys. I'm just going to grab a bite to eat and